Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with Visa Harmony. Today I will discuss the estimated cost to file for the fiancé petition from the start until the beneficiary arrives in the USA, apply for adjustment of status, and receives the green card. We at Visa Harmony, we provide free guides and tips to make your US visa and immigration processing as smooth as possible. We also provide assistance with certain US petitions and immigration applications. Our service fees are very affordable. We assist with filling out the required forms, organizing all the requirements, sending the application to USCIS, and answer any questions you may have during the whole process. I will leave our contact information below. Before you file the petition, make sure you meet all the requirements. Number 1, petitioner needs to be a US citizen. Number 2, petitioner and beneficiary are both single or free to marry. Number 3, petitioner and beneficiary have met in person within the last 2 years. I will link below the videos we created for more details on these requirements. So if you meet all those 3 requirements, then you can file the petition. Currently, the filing fee is $675. There was an increase in filing fees in April 2024. Aside from the filing fee, there are a few more fees associated with the fiancé or K1 petition. Once the petition is filed, it will take a few months for the petition to get approved. Once the petition is approved, the beneficiary will need to prepare for the medical and interview in the beneficiary's home country. Processing is different per country, so you will need to check on the US Embassy website for the specific details on where to go for medical and how to pay for the fees. Medical and visa fees are usually paid in foreign currency. Medical usually costs about $300, and the visa fee is about $265. The exact amount will vary depending on the exchange rate. If the beneficiary lives far from the US Embassy, you need to take into account travel expenses to the clinic and the US Embassy locations. That could include flight and hotel costs. There might be some minor expenses for visa delivery and requesting for civil documents like birth certificate or police clearance. It will depend per country. Flight expenses to the USA varies. Then once the beneficiary arrives here in the USA, the petitioner and beneficiary will need to get married within 90 days. Wedding costs will vary depending on how simple or grand you want your wedding to be. For example, here in Florida, a simple courthouse wedding will cost about $125. That's including both the marriage license fee and wedding ceremony fee. But if you want to plan a bigger wedding, it's fine as long as you get married within the 90-day window. Please do not wait until the last minute to get married, because in some states, there is a waiting period from the time when you apply for the marriage license to when you can actually get married. Here in Florida, there is a 3-day waiting period. You need to take into account situations like that. After getting married, and once you already have the marriage certificate, the beneficiary will need to file for adjustment of status so that the beneficiary will receive the green card and become a legal permanent resident here in the USA. The green card will allow the beneficiary to work and travel in and out of the USA. Currently, the filing fee for adjustment of status is $1,440, providing that you file right away and you do not need new medical for your adjustment of status application. So let's estimate how much it will cost to file for a fiancé petition from start to finish until the beneficiary receives the green card. We have the fiancé petition filing fee, medical and visa fees. Let's say, for example, the beneficiary lives in the city where the US Embassy is and does not need to travel. We have the cost at $0. Then the visa delivery fee and civil documents, let's put them at $50. Flight to the USA, let's estimate it at $1,500. Courthouse wedding ceremony of $125. And finally, adjustment of status of $1,440. That's about $4,355 that you need to prepare. If the beneficiary has a K2 child to include in the petition filing fee will stay the same at $675, but some of the other items will double, like the medical, visa fees, and travel expenses. The adjustment of status filing fee for a K2 child will depend on the age of the child. There you have it. The estimated cost of filing for the fiancé petition from start to finish until the beneficiary receives the green card is $4,355. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions on this topic, please post them in the comments section below or send us an email at ask@visaharmony.com. Thank you and see you next time.